Have you ever wondered how taste works? It's a simple question, but the answer is a complex dance of biology, psychology, and culture. Each time we bite into a juicy apple or sip a bitter coffee, our taste buds ignite a cascade of sensations that our brains interpret as delicious, disgusting, or somewhere in between. So, what's really happening when we taste our food? What are the unseen processes that define our culinary experiences? Well, prepare to embark on a tantalizing journey into the world of taste. To begin, we need to delve into the tiny taste buds in our mouths. Now, these aren't just minuscule bumps on your tongue, but they're actually complex sensory organs. Each one is like a microscopic flavor detective, picking up clues and sending the information to our brains. When you take a bite of your favorite food, the chemicals in it dissolve in your saliva. These dissolved chemicals then stimulate the taste buds. Each bud contains 50 to 100 taste cells, and these cells have receptors for different basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Once these cells detect a flavor, they create an electrical signal. This signal travels along your nerves to your brain, which interprets it as a specific taste. It's a fascinating process that happens in milliseconds every time you eat or drink. So, each little taste bud plays a crucial role in interpreting the flavors in our food. A marvelous feat of nature, wouldn't you agree? Did you know that all the flavors we perceive are based on just 5 basic tastes? That's right, every culinary delight we savor can be boiled down to a combination of these core taste sensations: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and the less-known umami. Sweet, the taste we often associate with desserts and sugar, is detected by our taste buds as a signal for high-calorie, energy-rich foods. Next up, we have sour, which can be a warning sign for potentially spoiled or fermented foods. The bitter taste, while often avoided, alerts us to potential toxins. Salty, on the other hand, is our body's way of identifying necessary minerals like sodium. Finally, there's umami, the savory taste found in foods like meat, cheese, and tomatoes. Umami was recognized as a basic taste a little over 100 years ago, and it signifies the presence of proteins. Together, these 5 basic tastes combine in countless ways to create the diverse range of flavors we enjoy. But there's more to taste than just what happens on your tongue. The realm of taste is a complex interplay of sensations, going beyond the tiny bumps on your tongue. Consider smell, for example. It's said that our sense of smell contributes to about 80% of what we taste. Ever noticed how food becomes tasteless when you have a cold? That's because your olfactory receptors, responsible for detecting aroma, are blocked, leaving your taste buds to do all the work. Then there's texture, the creamy richness of ice cream, the satisfying crunch of an apple, the velvety smoothness of chocolate. These tactile experiences shape how we perceive taste. Our brain processes these textural cues, enhancing or diminishing the flavors accordingly. Temperature too has a significant role. Cold can suppress sweetness while warmth can enhance it. That's why warm chocolate chip cookies taste sweeter than when they've cooled off. But it doesn't stop there. Our taste experiences are also shaped by psychological and cultural factors. Studies have shown that our food preferences can be influenced by color, shape, and even the plate's design. Our cultural background and upbringing also play a part, dictating what flavors we find appealing or off-putting. So the next time you savor a meal, remember the incredible journey of taste that's happening right inside your mouth. Now that you know how taste works, doesn't it make every bite a little more fascinating? We've traveled through the landscape of our tongue, understanding how the taste buds are the unsung heroes of every meal we enjoy. These tiny sensory organs help us discern the 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Each of these flavors plays a unique role in our dining experience, creating a symphony of tastes that dance on our tongues. But remember, our taste journey doesn't end there. We've also explored how factors beyond our taste buds contribute to our overall flavor experience. From the texture and temperature of food to psychological and cultural influences, our perception of taste is a complex and fascinating phenomenon. So as we wrap up this taste journey, remember that every bite you take is a testament to this intricate system. So, enjoy your next meal with a newfound appreciation for the amazing world of taste.